All right, so we're working on graphing page today. If this is not the same page that you have on your packet, then you should refer to the other video. There are two different versions of the graphing page. So for graphing, it says number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. Number 2, answer the questions about the graph. So let's look at the words first. We have plain, flood, storm, wildfire, and speech. We're going to count this way. We're going to write the numbers here, then we're going to answer these questions. Plain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 here. And so remember, you can pause if I'm going too fast. 6.
6.
Flood. Floods are when there's a lot of water and rain. It can and it's just a lot to the point where it might get into your home, it might ruin your floors, it might be all over the streets. Flood. We have 1, 2.
2.
The next word is storm. Storm is when there's really bad weather. So for instance, if it's really, there might be thunder and lightning and rain, and it's just really dreary weather. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Wildfire. Wildfire we have is when there's a big fire that's usually in a place with lots of trees, like in a forest, or if there's a lot of grass, that means it's a wildfire. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these.
5.
Speech. Speeches are when someone is presenting in a large group of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
8.
Okay, here. So now we have all our our graph answered. For planes we have 6. Flood we have 2. Storm we have 4. Wildfire we have 5. And speech we have 8. Number 1 says, which word has the most symbols? So let's look at all these words. Which one has the most? Plain, flood, storm, wildfire, or speech? The answer is speech. Speech has 8, which is the most. So we're going to put speech.
Speech.
Number 2 says, which word has the fewest symbols? So the least amount. Which one has the least? So we know it's not speech because speech has the most. The answer is flood. Flood only has 2, so it is the least amount.
Flood.
Let me scroll up the page a little bit. Okay. Oh, actually, let's go a little bit down. Okay. So this one says, number 3, what is the highest number? So which number is the highest here? 6, 2, 4, 5, 8. I'll give you a moment to think about that. The highest number is 8.
8.
So we're going to find 8.
8.
All right. What is the lowest number? Is it 6, 2, 4, 5, 8? And if the numbers are hard to think about, look at the pictures. Which one is the lowest? The lowest is 2. 2. We can tell by the pictures
2.
that there's not very many. Next, number 5. Do any words have the same number? Are any of these the same? 6, 2, 4, 5, 8? Are any of them the same? No, none of these are the same. They're all different. Number 6. Are there more storm symbols or plain symbols? So if we look at storm or plain, 6 and 4. Which one has more? More. Between storm and plain, plain has more.
Plain.
Very good. And then our last question, number 7, says, how many more speech symbols are there than wildfire symbols? So if you look at speech, we have speech over here. What's the number? We have 8. So we're going to put 8 for speech.
8.
And then wildfire is written over here. So we have 5 for wildfire.
5.
So we have 8 speeches, and we're going to get rid of 5, minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 8 minus
3.
8 minus 5 equals 3.